Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to apply for a $10,000 grant with fast break for small businesses through the 𝐜𝐚𝐥𝐿 Opportunity Fund. Applications opened February 15th and they closed September 13th, 2024. So we're going to go over how it works, some eligibility requirements, and then we're going to go through the application together. Now, 150 small businesses will receive $10,000 grants and a legal Zoom product of their choosing valued up to $500. Now, on to eligibility requirements. You must be based in the United States, have been in business for at least 3 months and currently in operation, have an annual revenue of less than $1 million, have an active business bank account, not be in an industry that has been identified as ineligible for this program. So to look that up, you just click ineligible and it'll scroll you down to all the ineligible businesses, bail bonds, pawn shops, check cashers, and so on. If you've been in business for 12 months or more, you must provide your most recent business tax return. If you've been in business between 3 and 12 months and don't have a recent business tax return, you must provide at least one of the following. So either your articles of incorporation, sole proprietorship formation, fictitious name statement or DBA, EIN registration, and so on. All right, guys, let's apply for this grant together. Good luck. Click apply now. To apply, you must create an account. So you could click create your account. If you have an account already, just sign in. Now, in order to sign in, you enter in your email, first name, last name, and your display name / username. They will then ask you to create a password. Click continue. Then they'll verify your email. Just click send verification code and enter in the verification code they sent to your email. All right, guys, now that you're all logged in, let's get started. First question, is your business based in the US? Yes or no? Are you either currently operating a business or have a new idea for a business? Yes or no? Are you in one of the prohibited industries? And you can also click here for the list of prohibited industries. Now they ask, what was your annual business revenue in 2023? Just click the drop down box and enter in what applies to you. Click next. Now onto the applicant information. Enter in your first name, middle name, last name, phone number, and address. Now they're going to ask you some demographic information. Which of the following best represents your gender identity? Just click what applies to you. Which of the following best represents your racial identity? Click what applies to you. What is your sexual orientation? Now on to business information. What is the current status of your business? Enter in what applies to you. In operation for over 3 months. In operation for less than 3 months. I have a new business idea. Enter in your business legal name. If you have a DBA name, enter that in. If you have a business Instagram handle, enter that in, and your EIN number. Now enter in your business industry and website. Now they ask, are you located in any of the following NBA, WNBA, or G League metro areas? Now, applicants are not required to be located in one of these metropolitan areas in order to be eligible for this grant. Now, enter in your business physical address, city, state, and zip code. Now, when did you begin operating this business? Enter in the start month and the start year. Now, not counting yourself, how many employees do your business have? Click the drop-down box and enter what applies to you. What is your total household income? How long was your business in operation before you officially formed or registered it? And how did you legally register your business? And just click what applies to you. Now it asks, did you seek the help of a tax professional or tax service in your first year of business? Yes or no? And please provide a brief description of your business and who your business serves. The limit is 100 words. Also, please tell us what inspired you to start your business. The limit is 250 words. Now, if selected, how would you intend to use the grant funds? Choose what applies to you. Purchase inventory, hire an employee, pay off some debt, buy equipment, marketing expenses, or other. And if you choose other, they'll ask you to please specify. Now, if selected, how would you intend to use the product code? And select what applies to you. Now, last question. Can we share your information with LegalZoom and the NBA? Enter in yes or no. I would click yes, because if you are the winner, then your contact information will be shared with LegalZoom. Now you're all done with the questions and the brief description they asked for. We are on to the required documentation section where you would upload required documentation. So first they'll ask you to upload all pages of the most recent business tax returns. Now, if the business is between 3 and 12 months old and does not have any recent tax return documents, you can upload your articles of incorporation, your EIN registration, and so on. They explain that here. Next, you would upload a front and back color copy of your driver's license, federal government employee ID card, passport, either one that you have. Next, they'll ask you to upload all pages of the 3 most recent business bank statements. So 3 months of your business bank statements you'd have to upload. Next, they'll ask you to upload a completed and signed W-9 form. I left a PDF to a blank W-9 form in the description of this video, so you can go ahead and fill that out and upload it. Lastly, they're going to ask you for your bank account information. So if you win, you get that money direct deposited into your bank account. So enter in your bank name, routing number twice, your account number twice. Once you've got all of that filled out, click apply, and all winners will be notified by September 30th, 2024. All right, guys, good luck. I do free consultation calls if you need help with anything. Peace.